today is May the 26th, 2025, and we are now in chapter 4, verse 19 of 1st John. It says, "We love Him because He first loved us." So, the thought that He loved us first, even before we were born, He loved us first.
Is due to William Miller.
Even that we are sinners, He loved us first. Despite of our imperfections, He loved us first. Despite of everything, despite us failing Him all over again, that is enough already. That is enough already to propel us to love Him as well. And as we have said many times in the past, the greatest way of showing our love for Him is by obeying Him. So if we love Him, we will obey His commandments, and one of His commandments is loving our neighbor as well. Despite their imperfections, let us love them. Let us look past the physical appearance. Let us look at their souls, especially when they are still lost. They have souls, and their souls are lost, and we must guide them. We must tell them the gospel. So, and loving Him also includes reading His word, talking to Him through prayer, and a lot of other things, serving Him. So if we love Him, our love for Him will propel us, will constrain us to do these things despite the setbacks, despite the trials, despite ruining our convenience. So our love for Him will propel us to do everything for Him. So I think that's for today.